Mahal ko, ito ang araw na pinakihintay ko. Ang araw na pinapangarap ko mula na makilala kita.
Dear Be, to my ex-boyfriend and now my husband, I love you. Alam ko na napakasaya mo kasi pinakasalan mo yung babaeng pinapangarap mo. Parang tumama lang sa loto, ah.
Ang sinasabing pag-ibig rito, yung pag-ibig na kaya niyang tiyagain, kaya nang alalahanin yung pangako niya sa harapan ng Diyos na till death do you part.
Sa wakas, narito na tayo sa harap ng lahat. Pinapangako ko sa iyo ang aking buong puso at buong buhay. Matagal ko nang hinihintay ang pagkakataong ito. At ngayon, handa na akong harapin ang bukas kasama ka.
I promise that I will be by your side through good times and bad times. Magiging sandalan mo sa oras ng problema.
Matagal na kitang hinihiling sa Diyos at ngayon narito ka sa buhay ko. Sa bawat araw na dumadaan, pinasasalamatan ko siya sa pagbibigay sa akin ng isang katulad mo. Pinangako ko sa iyo'y hindi kita iiwan anuman ang mangyari.
Kayo ba, Amos at JC, pinapangako na inyong susundin at ipamumuhay ang salita ng Diyos?
Opo, Pastor.
Dati po talaga akala po lalaki siya, pinapa-cell groupan po siya sa akin. Pero nung nga po nakilala ko siya, at nagkaroon po kami ng mission po sa church, sa mga aitas po, nagbundok po kami. Doon po ako na in love sa kanya. Simula po noon, nakita ko na po yung mapapangasawa ko. At ito na po yung araw na yun.
I'm feeling like a brand new me. Brand new, brand new. Brand new.
Nagkakilala po kami ni JC sa church po namin, sa Miracle Power of Jesus.
Ka-outreach po yung church namin. Doon niya po ako pinansin. And then po, doon na po nagsimula yung lahat.
Dancing to my own big cherry on the top, sweet. Everything around me is looking up. If life is what you make it, I'ma celebrate it. I'm feeling like a brand new me. For the very first time, I'm right where I'm meant to be. I'ma tell everybody.
Sinagot niya po ako hanggang mag-college po siya, magtapos siya hanggang ngayon hanggang kami. Hatid sundo sa eskwela, magtapos siya ngayon sa trabaho din po. At ngayon po magiging asawa ko din siya.
Old me didn't know what I was missing, seeing so clear, got that 20/20 vision. It was in me all along. All I had to do was listen to that heartbeat down inside of my chest. The little voice in the back of my head saying, one day you'll be living the dream. You'll see. I'm feeling like a brand new me. For the very first time, I'm right where I'm meant to be. I'ma tell everybody I'm feeling like a
Ang pinaka nagustuhan ko po sa kanya is, mabait po siya. Masaya po siyang kasama. Though hindi naman po everyday masaya, pero andun po yung love.
Ain't it funny how love hits you when you least expect it to? Anytime, any place, it can come right out of the blue. I thought it was only made for movie screens. Then you came along and you changed everything. Just one look into your eyes and I knew I was gonna spend my life with you. I promise I'm yours, always and forever. Through the promise I'll love you forever and ever and always.
Magiging kakampi mo at sasamahan ka sa hamon ng buhay. Mamahalin ka pa din sa mga panahong di ka nakakamahal-mahal. I love you so much.
I'm just gonna spend my life with you. I promise I'm yours, always and forever. Through the good and the bad, for worse or for better. I wanna be with you for the rest of my days. I promise I'll love you forever and ever and always. From this day on, I will be everything that you need. I won't let anyone or anything come between you and me. This love we got is deeper than oceans. My heart is yours and you know this. I'll follow you where you're going, 'cause that's where my home is. Just one look into your eyes and I knew I was gonna spend my life with you. I promise I'm yours, always and forever. Through the good and the bad, for worse or for better. I wanna be with you for the rest of my days. I promise I'll love you forever and ever and always.
Kahit na dumating ang panahon na hindi natin kayang gawin ang mga bagay na dati madali para sa atin, ang pagmamahal ko sa iyo ay hindi na magbabago hanggang sa huling tibok ng aking puso. Ikaw ang dahilan ng lahat ng aking mga pangarap. At habang ako'y nabubuhay, ikaw pipiliin ko araw-araw, magpakailanman.
Always and forever, through the good and the bad, for worse or for better. I wanna be with you for the rest of my days. I promise I'll love you forever and ever and always.